Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I am the one and only Nebocsid award-winning Nebocsid, and I'm doing another cooking video.
And I'm here to just harass him a little bit.
Yep. He just did something for his channel and
Bye,
for his
folks.
Facebook, and now I'm taking over the reins. I got some chicken wings. I've been kind of uninspired lately. I've been working a lot, doing a lot of cooking. I have 2 jobs, but now want to kind of get back and have some fun with it. I got here from Loot Crate, World of Warcraft cookbook.
For the Horde!
Yeah, and I saw a couple of interesting recipes that I saw. First thing I'm going to try is the crispy bat wings in here. So first things first, I have here a mixture of baking soda. It's a 1/4 cup baking powder, excuse me, not soda, powder, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And first thing to do is to dip the wings into this.
Baking powder?
Yeah, the baking powder and salt mixture. Put the book aside. And make sure it gets all covered up in there.
So I'm just gonna harass him. We're doing a live video too, so I'm gonna harass him while he does this. Get him out, buddy. Get him out. No, I'm not gonna be too much of a dick to him. What is in the sauce for this thing?
The sauce has sriracha, soy sauce, and the recipe calls for blackberry jelly. I couldn't find any, so I'm going with I'm substituting in the jam, which is which has blackberry, blueberry, and raspberry in there.
Ooh, so like a 3 Woods. Isn't that the 3 Woods one from President's Choice?
Yeah. So I had to make a little bit of an audible on that one because I couldn't find any blackberry jelly. The only jelly they had was grape jelly, and the only thing I enjoy of grape is actual grapes, like the actual physical food that you eat.
Looks amazing.
Thank you.
Looks really good. Just messaging the boss here to talk to you. I was a little worried about the flavor of this one before. I thought it wouldn't be smoky enough, but no, it actually did. I thought 3 wouldn't be enough. It wouldn't be it would be smoky enough, but nope. Guess I was wrong. It was more than enough. Oh man, looks the flavor profile is unreal. I was a little bit concerned, and actually the beer actually worked out nice too. Actually.
Yeah. Okay, I have the video about his thing. I'm gonna post it on his channel or try to get it to him. So.
Yeah, or let him do it. He's
actually
pretty good. Yeah, let him work on the. There we go, doing his job here. You want to help me clean all these dishes afterward too, right?
Sure. Yeah.
All right, slave. Back to work. I'm going to use the scepter on your ass. I'll crown you, Sir Douche of Maple Ridge. Sir Douche of Maple Ridge. There we go. There we go. That's your new title now. Sir Douche of Maple Ridge. How's that for a new title? We are one, so there you go. Now you can be known as I'm Sir Asshole, because ow. How many are you doing here?
As many as I can fit onto the tray.
Just gonna get them crispy and then just gonna. So what's it? So you're gonna crisp them up?
Yeah. Okay, the first 25 minutes has to be at 250, and then it raises up to 400.
Cook them through and then just to get them a little more crispy, eh? That's the plan?
Well, that's what the recipe calls for, so...
Oh, there you go. I take a look at the cookbook. May I?
Go ahead.
Bat wings. Hate killing bats, they're a pain in the ass.
Bat wings.
No, bat wings.
wings.
They're a pain in the ass to groom, to kill, sometimes. Not as much as I hate harpies, they're a pain. Real pain in the ass. Harpies are a real pain in the ass. Yes, I mean that. No, I'm not talking about the game. Not. They are a bitch to kill at times. Carp consomme, dragonfly chili, eh? Chili looks good actually. That looks good actually. Dragonfly chili.
Yeah.
That looks good actually. Dust wallow, I know where that is. Anything that would go with from Duator. Looking for. That's where I usually play from. For the Horde. Orcs for life, bitches.
Yeah.
And by the way, I'll say it right now. I'm gonna say it right now in all sincerity. Fuck the Alliance. There we go. I'm saying that in all sincerity. I know a lot of people will agree. Whatever. I'm gonna say it. Well, we're both. Hey, look at this. 4 ribs.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Are you sure you want that won't be too boring?
Crap.
Just as long as you pay your room and board.
Strider, I hate Strider, a pain in the ass. This is good actually. I like the stuff here. It's actually pretty good. This is actually really cool. I actually like this. You know, I actually like this. This is actually pretty cool. Wouldn't mind copying this actually myself actually.
If it comes up on, keep tabs on the website Loot Vault. I do like some custom crates on there, and what happens if they don't sell all of it, so the individual items will come up on Loot Vault.
Definitely want to come. This is really cool. I like this. There's some good stuff in here actually. There's some good stuff in here. I like this.
Yeah.
There are some good recipes here. I'm impressed. We'll have to do some more of this later. I'm impressed. Who's watching? Win. Get back to work. Hey. Get working, will ya? Get to work.
So how do I know the other, hit 250? Has it yet, or?
You should. Oh, the lights are off. Let's check. Yep, it's off. It's 250. Lights are off, so hit it.
Okay.
Hit it. The lights are off, mean it's working.
It's full up.
Uh-oh. Okay, that's my fault. That's my bad. Okay, and this looks like a hellhole. I'm so embarrassed right now. Shit.
Okay, there's a reason I don't film any videos in my bedroom.
Yeah.
And it's not because of the lack of action again, it's because my room is that horrible.
Yeah, well my kitchen looks like a hellhole all the time. Then I'm always cooking or something, so I'm sorry folks. I'm gonna help him out here. Since I'm here, I'll help him out since I'm being a nice guy. Here's the old darn.
Oh yeah.
Love this thing. This is an heirloom actually. This goes back to when my parents got married. They had a set of these, so I love it. Right, that's my parents. My parents got married.
Yep.
So there you go. Cool, huh?
Yep.
Good to have the heirloom.
Yeah, and how do I set the? You have a timer, right?
Yep.
25 minutes.
Yes, I do. There you go.
Okay, so 25 minutes from now, it's going to be going up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
And we're back.
Okay, while we're waiting for the wings to do the first round of the baking, I'm actually going to start mixing the glaze that goes with it. Now, first it's a tablespoon of the jelly, which I couldn't find, so we're going with, I'll come over and I'll show you. Twice the fruit, 3-berry spread. This is what I'm using to substitute for the jelly I couldn't find.
Ah, it works, right? In a pinch, right?
Yep. Okay, I'll put a little bit extra. It's blackberries, blueberries, and raspberries. Yes, that's what
That's
I
good. Forest berries. That'll be good. Nice kind of forest berry kind of thing. Raspberries are kind of tart. The blackberries are sweet, and so are the blueberries are also a little bit sweet. So a little bit sweet and sour kind of thing going there.
And then next up is 2 tablespoons of this soy sauce.
Never really heard of that kind of joey though before for a glaze though, so that's new to me.
Yep. I don't want to spill anything in the wrong place, so I'll bring this over to the sink and
But or not, you make a mess, you're killing it up.
exactly. That's what I'm doing this to make sure that
Good. If you make a spill even a single drop of a kick in your ass, beating you to death with beating you to death with the scepter. Might be worse. See what happens. Don't piss off the Autistic Chef. No, I won't do that to you.
There you go. And a teaspoon of sriracha. And you mix it up. I think I added a little bit more of the
Extra sauce is always good, right?
Yep. Really, because I actually do like blackberries and blueberries in particular, so and add a little bit of that extra flavor to it.
What the hell?
Okay, so I'm going to bring over the glaze to show you what it looks like, but
I want to take a look too. I want to take a look. Here, I'll get the camera. I got it. There you go. How's that for a good view?
yep,
Not bad. I got the camera here by the legs here.
yep,
Not bad actually. There you go. There's a good view of the camera there for you folks.
yep. This is
And
what
here, look at douchebag right here.
Yep, I'm this ugly in real life.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. This is what he really looks like, folks. Ugly as shit.
Nolan Jackson was watching earlier.
Oh, what's up, Nolan?
I think he finished already though.
Ah, that's okay. I had a live video. This is the longest video I've probably done in a while. Oh well. Not gonna make too many meat bad jokes here. I'm gonna let him just do his video here without fucking him too much here. I'm gonna let him just do his thing here.
Okay, so now that we got the glaze ready, time to put it in for when the wings finish.
Damn it all to hell.
So you came.
And we're back at it now, so
Finally.
the way the wings work is that you do a first round of baking at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes.
But trust
Then you raise it up to 400 degrees for 40 minutes. And I got the glaze over here, so there's about a minute left in the second round of the baking. So, you know what? 1 minute, I don't think it'll be that big. 7:56.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Don't
1.
think it'll be that big.
Time's up. Time's up. You failed. Get off the fucking camera, you crazy you ugly son of a bitch. Put yourself away from the camera, you ugly son of a bitch. You're gonna scare the children.
They actually look pretty good, so I'm going to bring the camera over and show you just how nice and crisp they look. So they're nice and golden here. So the last bit here, they got the glaze, and we're going to brush it on, and another 5 minutes at 400 degrees.
How do we take it off? How do you take it off the, how do you take it off?
Just leave it attached to the,
Alright, I'm gonna bring him close here. You see what he's doing here. Here we go. Here's what he's up to. I thought I'd give him a hand here and give him a little...
Thank you very much, sir.
No problem. Glad to help, right? I don't want to just do my wheat be a douche here.
As you see, I'm brushing on the glaze with this soy sauce and...
Sriracha and jelly.
Yep.
Jammy jam. There you go. Gonna get super close up here. Look good, actually. Nice job. Look nice. Actually, I thought worried it wouldn't cook that well, but look nice, actually.
Yep.
Imagine those deep fried even better, though.
Yeah.
But still looks very good, though. Steady hands, folks. Steady hands. Like you have this job. You gotta use steady hands to have this to do this job. Steady hands.
Ah! Hand burn.
Mouth. Get him out. Get him out. No.
You realize that actually went in my butt, right?
Oh God! Fuck off! Oh God! You fucking.
Why do you think I put it there?
You're an asshole. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands before I kill my. I did my hand before I tried to kill myself.
Oh my God!
You're an asshole.
That's the point.
Fuck you, buddy. All right, why is this one leg is smaller than the other?
Because it was it was set up on the couch. Remember?
Oh shit! All right, well, I'm gonna get back here. I'm gonna back the couch and wash my hand before I kill myself. Guys, don't mind the music. All right, we're still on. Let the sunshine. Hope you doing like my way to the music. You're gonna kiss our asses, right?
Right.
They want me to bitch about it somewhere.
Oh, everyone bitches about everything.
Yeah, you two fights. Fuck you, and your illegal bullshit. Fuck you, two illegal bullshit, by the way. You get a colossal bag of dicks, and you will be children and die.
Yeah, I feel like that's way to go on there. So
It's good. Alright, by the way, so we're gonna go with the camera here. I'm gonna show off the mix here. This is what the cast looks like after it's done. There it is. Do me a favor. Can you take a spoon and just mix out a little bit? Put all our stuff in there.
in here, right?
Yep, just give it a mix and see what it looks like. Micro shot. Oh yeah. Here, little little foodgasm chef shot for you. Food porn shot for you guys. There you go. You guys, a little foodgasm right there. And to be an asshole.
Yeah, so do watch both of our channels for the corresponding videos. We're doing 2 recipes on the same day, so...
We'll put them on both channels. We're going to put them all on each channel. You can put it on mine and you can put it on yours, because, hey. So they will all be here. So they're in. All right, douchebag, they're in. So I'm gonna put the camera off again, or are you gonna tell you to go to hell?
And time this one off for the final round of the glaze. So let's see how it turns out.
Is that enough for you, or you want more?
That should be good. I'm not gonna argue if you give me more. Let's see.
More glaze, we're gonna do a little more glaze. We're gonna do one more round of glaze, or?
And what do you think? Should I do
one
another?
more? I think one more complete.
Okay, this is how it looks now. And
One more. Maybe I don't know.
let's see. Sure, I'll get some of these a little bit extra glaze.
Yeah, I think just a little extra. Mr. Professional Chef, I'm still thinking as a professional chef here, not as
I
a
know.
trying to help, right?
I know.
This should be enough for 11 people, you think? Hope it is.
Yep.
They use either Great Northern, or going to use Navy or Great Northern beans. Probably Great Northern beans, probably, or maybe white kidney beans. Sorry, I'm in that seafood kind of mood again. Weird.
Dude, you see my channel, right?
Yeah, I have at times.
So by all, you should know by now I'm one of the strangest people you'll meet.
Yeah.
There's no such thing as a person who's not fitting on my channel. Unless you're a pedo, then you can get lost.
Okay, yeah, let's move the fuck off.
So we'll give it 5 more minutes.
We're right back after the messages. Fuck you! There you go. Message for you.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you remember, I am your Nebocsid award winner.
Is this chef? Yo.
And we had the second round of the glaze go on at his suggestion. I agree with him on that, so by all means. We're going to show you the final product.
And we're gonna fuck off then. Right? Then we fuck off.
Well, you have a girlfriend to do that with, but I don't.
Mm-hmm.
And here are the final
No comment
wings.
on that one.
Yeah.
No comment. No comment. My lips is gonna feel on that one.
But yeah, but I do like her. Like I met her once and I do like her, so by all means, that's not meant to disrespect her.
Thank you, man. Thank you. That's good. Let's try one of these motherfuckers.
Yeah.
You guess the one?
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Let's try one. Not bad, actually. Actually, not bad.
Mm.
Yeah. Probably should have done more of the glaze though, all over the chicken.
Yeah.
Could have just tossed them maybe. It's not in the glaze. Like put them in a bowl and toss them, then.
Yeah.
But not bad. Not bad. All right. Say goodbye, folks.
Bye, everybody.
All right, folks. This is Nebocsid.
And this is the Autistic Chef.
Until next time, folks. See ya.